Video is one of the best tools that you can be using to grow and scale your business. Here's why. Hi, I'm Heather. I'm a video and camera confidence coach, and I am here to tell you about why you should be using video in your business. And before I get started on this video, I do have a free guide on how to be confident on camera. Go ahead and grab it. It's down in the description below. All right, so let's hop on into why you should be using video in your business. So video is the best way to engage your audience. It is the best way to create a personal experience with your audience. You aren't just a brand. You aren't just a business. You are a person behind a business. You are a person with lived experiences and stories. And this is why video is such an amazing tool. It gives your audience and your potential clients a chance to see who's behind the business. It gives them an insight into what happens behind the scenes. It gives them an insight into who you are and gives them a better idea of whether or not they want to work with you. It's super simple. Like that's that video done. Nothing else to say, but a lot more to say. So firstly, video is a great way of building community and building a know, like, and trust foundation with your potential clients. It really gives people an insight into who you are. It lets them decide whether or not they want to work with you as a person. And this goes so much further than creating cute, fun TikToks where you don't speak. It is about creating actual videos where you speak and you let people in. You let people get to know you. And we have seen this time and time again. If you watch any massive YouTube creator, the more videos of theirs that you watch, the more you feel like you know them, the more you want to work with them, and the more you trust them. So this is why video is an incredible tool for building community and for building trust. Here's another reason why you should be using video beyond the know, like, and trust factor that it builds. Video is a fantastic way of reaching the people you want to reach. It is a great way of getting your name out there, getting your business out there, and getting people interested in working with you coming to you, coming to your business. They aren't gonna be like, oh, look at this business with this beautiful page. Wow, it's amazing. Yeah, sometimes things that look pretty are attractive, but generally the person behind the business is more attractive. And I'm not saying physically, I'm not saying you're physically more attractive than your business. I am saying that your personality, who you are, getting to know that person is more attractive than just the way your business looks. Let's talk about that. Let's talk about using video to reach your potential clients. There are amazing things that you can do with your videos to reach a huge amount of people. And in amongst those things is Reels on Instagram and TikTok videos. The reach on those videos is insane, and you can put yourself out in front of thousands of people, which is a little bit scary, but once you're over that fear, it's amazing. And you can attract so many of the right people to your business every single day, just by putting a video out. It's amazing. It blows my mind that we can do that now. This is why I encourage people to create original content, original videos, to speak in their videos. Always give people a little taste of who you are, because what attracts people to you, that's what gets them wanting to work with you. The more they know you, the more they want to work with you. So I want to encourage everyone to create original content when it comes to making reels, when it comes to making TikTok videos. Put you in it. Put a flavor of you into your videos. I am a bit of a silly weirdo, and so I put a little bit of my silliness and my weirdness and my talking really fast into my videos because that's how I do, that's who I am, and that's what people either like or don't like about me. And if you don't like it, then that's fine too. Why? Because if you don't like me and you don't like the way that I do things, then you are not my ideal person. You are not meant for my business. So you can go and find someone else that you do like. But I like the way that I do things, and the people who do like the way that I do things come to me. And that's that. That's that. It's as simple as that. And they do that because I am putting so much of myself out there. And by putting myself out there, I am allowing the right people to come to me. That's another reason. Video is amazing. And a third reason why video is so good for your business, it gives you an opportunity to really teach people about what you do and how you can help them. It gives you an opportunity to teach people little bits of information that they can take with them and store in them, exactly like what this video is doing. I'm teaching you the 3 most important things about using video in your business. You can bring an element of fun to your business. You can bring your uniqueness to your business, and you can teach people things and provide value for free to your potential clients. And giving value to your audience makes them want to work with you. Always provide value. Always give, and give generously. And that's something I learned from public speaking, is to give generously. It's not about you. It's not about you. It's about them. Your business is about the people you serve. So remember that. And remember that when you make content. Remember that when you make video. So let me know in the comments, are you going to start using video in your business? Do you use video in your business already? I really want to know. I'm very curious and I want to get to know more about you. See what I did there? All right, if you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.